2020 Chevy Silverado. That's what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibels. Right at 94. All right, guys, we're gonna put a Borla Atak on it. Stay tuned. So we're gonna put on it a Borla Atak, part number 400844. There it is right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. Show you guys what it looks like on the inside. There it is. That's what it looks like on the inside. Look at this design, guys. It's crazy. There it is right there. So stay tuned. I'm going to let you guys hear it. All right, guys. 2020 Chevy Silverado Z71 6.2 liter V8. Sexy black all the way around. Nice truck. We showed you what it sounded like before. Factory converter. Wise into a single 3.5-inch pipe. Then we added 3-inch pipe and added a Borla Atak in its place right there. Part number 400844. There'll be a link in the description right there. Then it wires out the back and no resonators on this one because it has the performance package, which is basically an unlabeled Borla S type. That's what comes on these Chevys. And they charged $3,000 upgrade for that back in 2020 and 2021. There it is right there. And there's the stock muffler. There's the Borla S muffler that was on it right there that we took off. Sorry guys for the construction. Really apologize. We got to do what we got to do. Nashville's growing. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. What's up, Waldy? Much better. Now that sounds like a truck. Here's sound decibels. Got a rev limiter on it too. Right at 102. The tone completely changed though. I like it. Good looking truck. They always look good in black. What do you guys think? I like it. Sounds so much better. Let you guys hear on the inside. All right, guys, Borla Atak. A Chevy 6.2 liter V8.